This is the second part. We're just looking at some of the other trees that will go. And we're catching the top of that big one here. The one that's behind me. And these are habitat trees. I mean, they're really, really important. And we're all asking to stop greenhouse gases being released into the atmosphere, and that's what trees do. There's a crow up there at the moment. I'm not actually seeing any native birds at the present time. It's very, very quiet. You more get them when the trees are in flower. You can have a look at the trunk of that one. It's really quite massive. Obviously it's had a swing on at some stage. But it's a great canopy. That's just so quiet. And that tree that we're just filming now, there's the sun there, is actually next door. Whether it'll survive when these ones are taken out, well, looks like it's in not brilliant shape. And we're coming in here. Well, that's a pittosporum. It's a lemon tree. Wattle. And that tree again is next door. It's nice and healthy. And hopefully it will be okay. That branch will probably go. You'll probably get an idea of what is happening in our area. So I'll just see if I can actually get that magnificent one. Oh, it's an absolutely beautiful day today, and it's just so sad that, well, pretty well all of this is going to be destroyed. Probably fairly soon.